Hey guys, today I'm checking out this outdoor lamp sconce that I see for drilling purposes. You can see they're really nice and they have a really interesting model design and they seem like a really simple wall sconce for installation. Okay, they come really well protected and they come with everything that you need to do the proper assembly and installation, which I think that it's nice. All the required hardware in the instruction manual. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing it. I'll be installing it at the both side of my door outside, so let's see how it looks and how it works. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, the proper installation process doesn't take that much long, and I think that it's really nice because it's quite simple. And with the instruction manual, it's a breeze. It comes with all these step-by-step guide on how to install it, which I think that it's really nice. And what I think that it's perfect is that it has a open base design for a effortless bulb replacement and any kind of maintenance that you can need. As I've said, it includes the complete mounting kit, and it has a really beautiful and weatherproof design. It has a die-cast anti-rust metal housing that maintains color all the way around, and it's IP65 waterproof rated, so it can deliver a reliable performance across all type of weather, which I think that it's perfect for all kind of seasons and all the different type of weather conditions. Its design ensures an excellent light transmission and a really long lifespan. It has a really bright warm white temperature, and it delivers uniform light without any kind of flicker, and it's perfect for enhancing visibility in any kind of area like your entryway, a staircase, some garages, patio corridors, or even in your exterior wall, which I think that that's perfect. It offers a irregular rectangular design that can blend different kind of aesthetics and offer a stylish light solution for even indoor or outdoor, however you need it. Okay guys, so as you can see, they are already set. I think they look amazing. They have a really beautiful warm white light filter that I think that they give a really comfortable look wherever you want to place them. As I've said, you can place it on hallways, on your entryway like this, accenting any kind of art piece at both sides. You can place them like this vertically, or if you wanted, you can also place them horizontally wherever you need them. As I've said, they are weatherproof, which I think that makes them perfect to be placed outdoors in your backyard. As I've said, wherever you want to place them and you think that they're gonna look nice, I think they are a really nice option. And as you can see, the installation was a breeze, and overall I like them a lot and I would really recommend them. See you guys.